Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we've got something special from Haylou, and I would like to thank Haylou for sending me this product for review. Well, this is a smartwatch and a fitness tracker as well, you can say that. Haylou is a sub-brand of Xiaomi. Now let's have a look at it. This is the box of Haylou Smart Watch 2. We get the branding over here, and the backside of box contains all of the specs of this smartwatch. And this watch is also named as Smartwatch Haylou Smart Watch 2. Now let's take this wrap off and dive inside the box. Alright, this is really nice and simple packaging, and the watch is lying safely in front. Let's take it out and keep it aside. Put this foam aside, and then we have a user manual. We have all of the instructions and user guide over here. Let's see what else we do have. Here is the charging cable, and it's a magnetic charging cable, and we'll see it later in the video, and nothing else. So these are all of box contents. Let's take this sticker off. This smartwatch has 1.4 inches 2.5D curved HD screen. As you can see, the curved edges over here, and this gives a really cool look to the watch. Let's turn it on. Okay, the Haylou logo appeared, and we have to connect it with device to use it. So let me grab my phone and connect it with Bluetooth. Alright, let's scan it and then download the application from App Store or Play Store. It's done, and now we have to create an account in this app to continue using the watch. Okay, so after logging in, I was directed to this page to enter some details. Finally, this setup is done. The setup was really simple. We just have to download the app and create account, and then connect the watch with phone using Bluetooth. That's it. Now to add the device, click here at this bottom right corner, and it will automatically show the nearest Haylou device is present. Okay, we have to press next on this watch, and then here it is. A pop-up came out on watch. Let's mark it tick, and boom, the watch is connected. As you can see, this is also appearing here, the watch connected successfully. Now we have all of the data on watch screen, the time, steps, and everything. You can see the battery percentage here in the mobile, which is 22%. Now if you buy anything new like gadgets, make sure to charge them full for very first time. We will take a look at the application later. First of all, let's check out this watch. The bands of this watch are pretty sleek and gives matte finish feeling and really good in quality. Here is the heart rate monitoring sensor along with the charging pins. Let me show you how to connect the cable. It connects magnetically and sticks really hard with watch. This is how the main screen of watch looks like with all of the details and information. Moving down, we have all of the functions and features like stats, sport activities, heart rate data, and all other stuff that we usually get in a fitness tracker or a smartwatch. We can actually adjust the screen of this watch as well. The music playing on phone can also be controlled with this watch. Find phone feature is also available in this watch. You just need to tap on find phone and the phone starts to ring. There are total of 5 watch faces in this watch. Maybe Haylou introduce more of them in any upcoming update. For now, there are only 5. On main screen, if you scroll from top to bottom, just like in phones, to get the notification panel, here it displays some controls like D&D, do not disturb mode, brightness, and more. To measure the heart rate, simply go to this feature and little heart icon, and now let me show you. I have put it on, and it is measuring the heart rate continuously, as you can see. As I've already told you that it has HD color screen, hence it is clearly visible in bright sunlight as well. but you have to maximize the screen brightness for that, and you will be able to look at watch flawlessly. Let's move to the application. We have a lot of features over here like alarm, call and message notifications, raise to wake and more. You can also set alarms on it, and on targeted time the watch will start to vibrate. This Haylou LS02 has 260 mAh of battery, and according to Haylou it can last up to 20 days on standby. LS02 also do have IP68 rating, which means it is waterproof as well. That is absolutely a great feature. If you want to buy this watch, then I will leave the link in the description below. That's all for this Haylou LS02 smartwatch. If you enjoyed this video, then a sub to the channel would be appreciated. Do follow me on Instagram and other social handles, and I'll see you in the next one.